Good morning, Bill here again. I'm in my shop this morning. I'm working on fitting the tops to the backs of the current 7-unit baritone ukulele run that I'm in progress of completing. So I wanted to talk briefly this morning because I've done something different that I normally hadn't done in my other runs, and that was I usually use softwoods on the soundboards, and I've now got, I think, 3 units out of the 4 will have hardwood, and the hardwood in mention here is Sycamore. So it's a wood that I've just learned about in the last couple of years, and gives a very unique look. This is quarter sawn Sycamore, that's quarter sawn Cedar. This one's particularly named snakeskin cedar, snakeskin sycamore because of the pattern. Now that's book matched, of course, so sides are equal. And backs are black cherry sycamore accents. So I wanted to just give you a tone demonstration. So take a listen to this. This is 131 frequency. Okay, so that's Sycamore. White Cedar. You see, each of them has unique characteristics, even though they're constructed exactly the same, and the bodies are of the same wood. Now, not the same tree, but the same species anyway. So, again, a cedar has a nice tone for sure. That's going to make a beautiful unit. From experience, I know that's going to be nice. That one seems, it's funny, the frequency's higher, but the sound seems a little bit lower, and yet a little more body to it. So I'm excited about the Sycamore. I'll keep you posted when it's completed and strung up, and we'll go from there. Have fun.